So hello and welcome to yet another AdiFit training program vlog. And as you can see, I'm standing in my newly built backyard gym, which I like to call the AdiFit training studio. And like I mentioned in my previous vlog, I'm going to give you a short tour of this training studio that I've built in my backyard, and also share with you कि मैंने अपना fully functional gym होते हुए which is quite large and it's been doing pretty well for the last 8 years. Why have I built this studio in my backyard? So let's get started.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.
So the number one reason why I have built this studio in my backyard is because recently we all went through the COVID situation, and not once but 3 times over. तो 3 waves हमने देखी कोविड की, और स्पेशली फॉर बिजनेसेस लाइक माइन विच इज़ द जिम सेक्टर, द फिटनेस लाइन, काफ़ी ज़्यादा नुकसान हुआ इस लाइन को पिछले 3 सालों में. तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा टाइम तक जिम बंद रहे. मेरा खुद का जिम पिछले 3 सालों में कभी 8 महीने के लिए, कभी 6 महीने के लिए, कभी 3-4 महीने के लिए बंद रहा. सो व्हेन आई वेंट थ्रू दोज सिचुएशंस आई रियलाइज दैट आई नीड टू हैव अ बैकअप प्लान. And obviously you cannot replicate an entire gym in your house or in your backyard, but thankfully I live in a house where I have ample space in my backyard. तो जैसा कि आपने मेरे पिछले वीडियोस भी देखे होंगे जहाँ मैं ट्रेनिंग दे रहा था अपने बैकयार्ड में. So I was training close to 35 people in my backyard, not at a time but 4-4, 5-5 के बैच में मैं वो ट्रेनिंग दे रहा था. So that is where this whole idea of expanding my space and making the best use of whatever is available to me, especially in a time like COVID when things come to a standstill. But for someone like me, और मेरे साथ और भी जितने लोग जुड़े हैं, there are few people for whom fitness is a lifestyle, it's an everyday thing and they cannot live without it. तो मैं खुद भी कोविड में instead of getting down, in fact I suffered from COVID as well. तो सिर्फ वो 1 महीना 1.5 महीना जब मेरे को कोविड था और जब उसकी रिकवरी चल रही थी, that's the only time when I didn't work out. But apart from that, all throughout the COVID situation, all the 3 lockdowns, I was working out really hard, and I made some really good gains. And it was only possible because I had this backup plan of my backyard where I was training. और काफ़ी बेसिक सा सेटअप मैंने रखा हुआ था. बेसिक था बट विद लॉट ऑफ वेट्स. सो व्हेन आई से बेसिक आई मीन आई हैड लॉट ऑफ डंबल्स, लॉट ऑफ बारबल्स, बट उसके साथ साथ मेरे पास वेट काफ़ी था जो मैं अपने जिम से भी थोड़ा ले आया था. प्लस घर पे भी मैंने काफ़ी वेट रखा हुआ था. उसके साथ साथ बेसिक बेंच और कुछ मैंने इनोवेशंस की थी जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा कामयाब रही. बिकॉज एनीवन हु वर्कड आउट ऑन दोज इक्विपमेंट्स, they swear by it now and they say that can you actually replicate this in your gym. So I'm going to show you those equipments as well. थोड़ा सा मैं उनसे भी परिचय करवाऊंगा आपका, because they have been with me for quite some time now. काफ़ी टाइम से वो मेरे बैकयार्ड में लगी हुई हैं, बनी हुई हैं. So I'm going to show you those equipments as well. So that's the number one reason why I built this space for myself. It's a safe space. I can actually dictate how many people I want in one go if I'm training people at home. So like I said, I was training just like 4-5 people at a time. ऐसा नहीं था कि मैंने बहुत सारा crowd भर लिया था, because that is also not right जब ऐसी pandemic आया हो. So I was training people in small batches throughout the day, like 4-5 hours in the day. Plus I was training my own self. I had a workout partner, तो हम दोनों एक टाइम पे वर्कआउट करते थे. Almost 1.5-2 घंटे का वर्कआउट करते थे, because there was no time constraint. Like my gym hours are fixed. इस टाइम से इस टाइम तक जिम खुलता है, इस टाइम पे मैं अपना वर्कआउट करता हूँ. उसके बाद आई कम होम, टेक रेस्ट, हैव माय लंच, and then again in the evening I go back to the gym and train people. So that whole schedule was not happening. So I had a lot of time to just work out on my own and do my own thing, and I really enjoyed that time. So that got me thinking that whenever I get a time, जब भी मेरे को थोड़ा टाइम मिलेगा, मैं इस स्पेस को थोड़ा डू अप करूँगा, make it a little nice. उस टाइम पे all my weights were lying out in the open. So again, weights are something which I really respect a lot. मैं लोहे की, आयरन की बहुत कदर करता हूँ, and it did not feel right to me कि खुले में लोहा पड़ा हुआ है, कभी बारिश आ रही है, कभी एक्सट्रीम हीट हो रहा है, थोड़ी थोड़ी रस्टिंग भी हो रही थी, धूल मिट्टी भी उस पर पड़ती थी. तो मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लगता था. बट उस टाइम पे कोई ऑप्शन नहीं था, बिकॉज आई वॉज टू मच engrossed in that whole process of coming to terms with the whole COVID situation, having my gym which was closed, and then coming up with an alternate plan to keep my workouts on and also make other people work out at the same time. So अब जब मेरे को थोड़ा टाइम मिला है, things are back on track, my gym is up and running once again, it's doing well, people have come back. थोड़ा टाइम मिला था, like I said, I did some construction work at my gym also. So side by side, I did some construction at home and I built this space. So that's reason number one for making this small little space for myself. ये जगह फिलहाल छोटी है थोड़ी, you know, it can accommodate 1 or 2 people, but beyond this I'm going to show you my backyard, which has a lot of space where, you know, 6-7 people can work out at a time. So all the dumbbells, all the weights can be arranged here inside, and you can actually do the workouts outside as well. And it's raining today, so for such a day when it's raining and you cannot work out inside, you can bring the workouts in. So yeah, so moving on. The second big reason why I have built this space is because, you know, I have made similar videos previously where I was talking a lot. मतलब informative videos थे, काफ़ी ज़्यादा knowledge अपने experiences में share करा था पिछले 15 साल के, जब से मैंने workout करने शुरू किए हैं, and I have been in the fitness line. And you know, my gym is on the main road, so there is lot of noise coming in all the time. काफ़ी ज़्यादा वहाँ पे, you know, cars की honking, plus lot of vendors going out in the daytime. So all these things are happening. तो काफ़ी बार होता था कि मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा retakes करने पड़ते हैं, या जब मैं बाद में अपने वीडियो सुनता हूँ तो I can hear lot of noises in the background. So that used to really bother me because I am somewhat of a perfectionist, और थोड़ा सा भी कभी अगर चीज़ ऊपर नीचे हो जाती है तो I don't really like it. So that is again something which used to bug me. It used to be at the back of my mind that, you know, I need a place where there is less noise or no noise at all. So again, this is a place. अभी घर पे थोड़ा सा काम चल रहा है, मेरे साथ में भी 1-2 घर बन रहे हैं, तो वहाँ की थोड़ी आवाज़ आती है. But once those things are over and done with, this is a really peaceful space where I can work out peacefully, and also when I need to make videos, especially when I'm talking a lot, this is the perfect place for that. यहाँ पे बिल्कुल भी कोई आवाज़ नहीं है. अभी मैं जैसे वीडियो बना रहा हूँ, साथ साथ बारिश हो रही है, so maybe you can hear little bit of the noise of the rain in the background, but that's about it. उसके अलावा यहाँ कोई भी noise नहीं आती है. So that's reason number 2 for making this space for myself. It can double up as my studio where I can make my videos peacefully without any disturbance, without too much of noise around. So coming to point number 3, which is, you know, passion versus vision. I will not even say versus, but I just want to share this fact with you that, you know, I have been in this field for the last 15 years, and you can all see I'm very passionate about it. मतलब whatever I've done in the last 15 years, whether it's with my own body, whether it's the kind of training that I give people where I have no trainers at my gym, and I train almost 100-125 people every single day on my own. So, and lot more things. Basically, that passion comes across and it's very visible. So the last 15 years of my life in the fitness field, in the fitness line, have all been about passion. So going forward, the next 15 years, because that's how long I plan. मैंने पिछले 15 साल तो इतने plan नहीं किए थे, but आने वाले 15 साल की planning में थोड़ी, you know, I've started doing. So I have realized that सिर्फ passion से those 15 years will not go by the way I want them to go by. So I have started putting in my vision as well. So I have a vision for myself, for the way I want to train myself, for the way I want to train others as well. तो थोड़ा सा उसके लिए जो भी मेरे को टाइम चाहिए, स्पेस चाहिए, पीस ऑफ माइंड चाहिए, this space is going to give me that. So this is going to be like my zen place, my, you know, fortress of solitude, if you can call it. This is where I'll come, I'll sit, I'll think about the things I want to execute in the future, because very, you know, recently after the COVID situation, I have not found too much time for myself. I have been so engrossed with my work and in taking care of other people that कभी-कभी मुझे लगता है कि मुझे अपने लिए time नहीं मिलता. So this is the place where I want to come, sit down, sort of gather my thoughts and see what I want to do with my own self, with my work, with my life, everything. So it's going to double up as that. So that's reason number 3 for me building a space. थोड़ा सा हटके, you know, सबसे अलग मैं यहाँ पे रह सकता हूँ, and I am pretty sure when people know that I am here, no one is going to come and bother me, because I am making it very evident that this is, you know, my space. So the only time you can bother me is when I ask you to come and sort of be part of it. या अगर मैं आपको यहाँ पे ट्रेनिंग दे रहा हूँ, या मैं कह रहा हूँ कि आप आके मेरे साथ ट्रेन करो या be part of my workout, that is when you are welcome. Otherwise, I would advise people to like just let me be when I'm here, because it's going to be like a me time space. So that's reason number 3 why I've built this space for myself. Reason number 4 of building this space is again, it's related to reason number 3, that recently in the last couple of years I've come to a point where I don't like or I don't enjoy when there are too many people working around at the same time when I'm working out. तो मैं पूरा दिन, जैसे मैंने मेंशन किया, आई ट्रेन क्लोज टू 100 प्लस पीपल एवरी डे. कोई ऐसा टाइम नहीं होता जब मैं ट्रेनिंग नहीं दे रहा होता. तो जब मेरा खुद का टाइम होता है ट्रेनिंग करने का, वर्कआउट करने का, मेरे को उस टाइम पे बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्टर्बेंस अच्छी नहीं लगती. मतलब आई डोंट लाइक पीपल प्लेइंग लाउड सॉन्ग्स और पीपल जस्ट टॉकिंग एंड पीपल नॉट बीइंग सीरियस अबाउट देयर वर्कआउट्स. और जस्ट एक जनरल अगर भीड़ होती है, मतलब आई अवॉइड वर्किंग आउट व्हेन देयर इज लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ क्राउड अराउंड मी. So that's again, and it's actually one of the biggest reasons why I built this, because यहाँ पे I know there is going to be no disturbance, कोई crowd नहीं होगा, there won't be too many people bothering me, and in case I do call someone, I can limit the number of people I want to have around me when I'm working out, because there are workouts where I need someone behind me. If I'm lifting heavy, I'm doing a heavy bench press or any other exercise where I need someone behind me. So there will be times, and there have been times in the past also, if you go through my previous videos where I was working out with the partner in the very same backyard, so there were people around me. But जिम में अभी भी मैं अपने लिए ऐसा टाइम निकालता हूँ कि जब लोग मेरे आसपास बिल्कुल नहीं होते, मैक्सिमम 2 या 3 ही लोग होते हैं. जब उससे ज़्यादा नंबर बढ़ जाता है तो मैं अपना वर्कआउट वहीं रोक देता हूँ, because I cannot have too many thoughts running in my head at a time. There was a time when I was younger, when I was just starting out in my 20s, when all these things used to bother me. I used to go to the gym post my work in the evening around 7:30, and that's usually a very busy time for gyms. So there used to be a lot of people in the gym at that time. बहुत लोग होते थे, काफ़ी crowd होता था, गाने बज रहे होते थे, stuff like that. But maybe there were different things fueling my workouts that time. Majorly the frustration of the whole day, और just that I was so psyched कि यार शाम का टाइम हो गया है, जिम जाने का टाइम हो गया है. So I could let go of all those things, but not anymore. मतलब now I want sort of like a perfect environment for myself when I want to work out, and I don't think I'm asking for too much, because 1 hour, 1.5 hours to yourself is something that you need, something that all of us need. So it's great if you can work out when there are too many people around you, but currently in my situation, the kind of lifestyle I live, the kind of people I'm with the whole day, मतलब आप रोज अगर 100-125 लोगों के साथ होते हो पूरा दिन, तो एक टाइम आता है when you don't want to be around people, you just want to be by yourself. So this is again a space which lets me have that I can just be by myself. I can listen to my own music. My mood keeps changing from peppy songs to slow songs to even sad songs at times to even ghazals at times. So I listen to basically everything and anything, and there are times when I actually enjoy not listening to songs at all. You won't believe, during the lockdown when me and my partner used to work out, for almost 2.5-3 months we worked out without any music. तो हमने रियलाइज किया 2.5-3 महीने के बाद कि यार हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता है शांति में वर्कआउट करना. सो आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट everyone should do that, but I am somewhere where I can work out with songs, without songs, but I just do not need or want too much of chaos around me. तो मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा लोग, बहुत ज़्यादा chaos इस टाइम पे नहीं अच्छा लग रहा, and that is again something that this space is going to let me have peace of mind, peace of environment, and I can just be in nature. अभी इस तरफ जब मैंने कैमरा फेस किया हुआ है, you can just see a concrete wall behind me. Let me, when I'll show you, जब मैं कैमरा उस साइड फेस करूँगा, you will see the kind of visual impact which nature has on you. And if you're working out in such an environment, it's next to heaven. So I cannot ask for a better sight to look at during my rest intervals, during in between my sets. So I'll just show it to you once I'm done talking. So that's reason number 4 for me building this space. Coming to the last reason why I've built this space for myself is that talking about fitness, saying that you're a fitness enthusiast or a fitness fanatic or whatever is one thing, but actually living that life is something else. So I am someone who lives that life. मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगा कि मैं खाते पीते उठते कुछ भी करते हुए फिटनेस के बारे में सोच रहा होता हूँ, बट इट इज़ वेरी एविडेंट दैट इट्स अ बिग पार्ट ऑफ माई लाइफ. So there was a time जब मैं खाते पीते उठते सोते सारा टाइम फिटनेस ही सोचता था. During my 20s, during my early to late 20s, when I had started gymming, I got into gymming and it started giving me the kind of results. So that was a time when I used to just like be in it the whole day, the whole time, काम पे भी मैं ही सोचता था कि वो शाम कब होगी, 7 कब बजेंगे, जिम जाने को कब मिलेगा। तो अब बिकॉज दैट इज़ माई लाइफ वेयर आई एम एट द जिम द होल डे, आई हैव ऑल्सो बिल्ड दिस स्पेस, प्लस अदर टाइम्स ऑल्सो जब फ्री टाइम होता है तो कुछ ना कुछ आप स्क्रॉल कर रहे हो इंस्टाग्राम पे, यूट्यूब पे, एंड इट्स अबाउट फिटनेस. सो आई एम समवन हु लिव्स इट. So again, and I am also someone that who believes that your talk should match your actions. So this is again part of the talk, matching the actions. That I do not see myself getting away from this, and I do not wish to get away from this. And I know now the phase I've entered in my life. As I go ahead, I'm going to get busier and busier, and there will be a time when other things will be on priority, and this will take a back seat. So even when that time comes, I have a backup plan. अगर suppose मैं जिम पे वर्कआउट नहीं कर पाऊंगा, I have business stuff to take care of, or once my family grows, I have something at home to take care of. I will always have a backup plan. I can always at 10 o'clock in the night, at 6 o'clock in the morning, I can just come to my backyard, open the door, and do a half an hour, 45-minute workout, and get that thing out of my system, and just have a peaceful day after that. So I wanted that option in my life where I can just get up, not even maybe brush my teeth, just come to my backyard and do a workout. So obviously my gym is not very far from my house, but it's a different environment, it's a more professional environment. I do not have to be professional in my backyard. I can just work out in my underwear if I want. So I'm not saying I'm going to, but I'm just saying it's an option. So that was again a big reason why I wanted to build this. See, I'm not The Rock, I'm not Mark Wahlberg, I'm not like a top Hollywood celebrity. The people who have like gyms, like fully operational, big ass gyms in their home. But this is again something which I really wanted. So I didn't think that you need to be a celebrity to have such a thing. You just need to be passionate, which I am. So whatever space I could dispose of, or I could sort of take out to build this thing, I've done that. And with that, I'll just take you through a small tour of this space, plus the kind of space I have right outside the door of my newly built studio. Yeah, so this is what you see when you open the doors to the AdiFit training studio. और यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो हमारा स्टैंड है, डंबल स्टैंड है, जिसपे ये नीचे से शुरू होते हैं 5 किलो से 5, 7.5, 10, 12.5, 15, 16.5, 20, 22.5. So 22.5 is the last dumbbell that I have, and since ये प्योर लोहे में है तो 22.5 का डंबल काफ़ी सफिशिएंट रहता है मेरे को. एक में 30 का डंबल भी है, बट वो जिम पे है फिलहाल. जब मुझे कभी लगेगा that I need to increase the weight, I'll get it back, but for the time being it's at the gym. So that's our dumbbell stand. You can see the mats also. मैंने कुछ मैट भी रखे हुए हैं, जब मैं वर्कआउट करता हूँ तब इनको बिछाता हूँ, बाकी टाइम में ऐसे पड़े रहते हैं. That's our preacher bench, जिस पे मेरी लिफ्टिंग बेल्ट भी है साथ में. और ये एक आपका मल्टीपर्पज़ बेंच जिसको बोल सकते हो. इंक्लाइन, डिक्लाइन, फ्लैट तीनों एंगल हो जाते हैं इस पे. यू कैन सी द बारबेल्स, द रॉड्स बिहाइंड इट. सो ये हमारी शोल्डर रॉड्स हैं. वी हैव द ईजी रॉड फॉर डूइंग बाइसेप्स, and you have the 20 kilo Olympic rod standing there, और उसके पीछे एक बाइसेप की छोटी रॉड है. You can also see my Fast Enough supplements. ये मैं यूज़ कर रहा हूँ आजकल. I have done multiple videos on these as well. And the most important thing is the full-sized mirror. So that's our full-sized mirror, जिसमें आप chest करो, shoulder करो, if you're doing lunges और dumbbell squats, डंबल कर्ल्स, बारबल कर्ल्स, जो भी एक्सरसाइज आप कर रहे हो, यू कैन सी योर सेल्फ कम्प्लीटली इन द फुल साइज मिरर. एज यू कैन सी मैं पूरा दिख रहा हूँ इसमें आपको, हेड टू टो. आई कैन सी माई सेल्फ, विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड दैट्स आवर AdiFit training program logo at the edge of the mirror. So that's our AdiFit training studio, how it looks once you open the doors to it. So, and that's our main logo on the door and the key to the studio. So yeah, and now for the most picturesque outdoor view that you can get, which is this. So this is what I get to see in between my sets whenever I am resting. ये view मुझे मिलता है. थोड़ा आपको मैं और आगे लेके जाता हूँ. This is where I was training 4-5 people at one go during COVID times. So as you can see, there is a lot of space. एंड एज आई वाज टेलिंग यू, थोड़ा सा कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क चल रहा है साथ वाले घर में भी। ये दीवार पूरी ऊपर तक खड़ी हो रही है, जब पूरी खड़ी हो जाएगी मेरे को फुल प्राइवेसी मिल जाएगी, बिकॉज द हाउस बिहाइंड मी हैज़ बीन अबैंडन्ड फॉर द लास्ट 25 ईयर्स, सो देयर इज़ नो नॉइज़, नो वन पीपिंग ट्राइंग टू सी व्हाट्स हैपनिंग। और यहाँ पे भी दीवार आ जाएगी, आई विल हैव कंप्लीट प्राइवेसी एंड आई विल एन्जॉय दैट, आई विल एन्जॉय माई वर्कआउट्स। So let me also now show you some of the equipments. So this is our second bench. This is again a multi-purpose bench, and this comes with, you know, leg extension and leg curl as well. तो leg extension और leg curl भी इस पे हो जाता है। आज थोड़ा बारिश हो रही है तो भीग गया है, but I'm going to dry it as soon as it stops raining. And उसके पीछे you can see my pull-up bar. So this is where I do pull-ups, and pull-ups have been one of my most favorite exercises since I started working out. एक टाइम पे मैं बहुत पुल-अप करता था, आजकल थोड़ा सा जॉइंट इंजरी चल रही है तो मैंने बंद कर दी है। कभी कभी करता हूँ, वो भी क्लोज ग्रिप, वाइड ग्रिप में इट कम्स ऑन द जॉइंट्स, सो आई हैव स्टॉप डूइंग देम फॉर द टाइम बीइंग, बट आई विल गेट बैक टू देम। यू कैन ऑल्सो सी माई पुली स्टेशन, जो कि होम मेड नहीं है, बट लाइक माई डैड गॉट दिस मेड वे बैक, ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 10-15 ईयर्स बैक। और इस पे आप पुली लगा के जितनी भी आपकी केबल एक्सटेंशंस होती हैं, और केबल पुश डाउन, रोप पुश डाउन, केबल कर्ल्स, फेस पुल्स, आई हैव पुट ऑल दोज वीडियोज़, दे आर ऑल अप ऑन द चैनल। मैं ऑलरेडी दिखा चुका हूँ, आगे नेक्स्ट जब भी वर्कआउट करूँगा आई विल शो इट टू यू एज वेल। एंड दिस इज़ लाइक वन ऑफ माई मोस्ट फेवरेट पीस ऑफ इक्विपमेंट, इफ़ आई वांट टू कॉल इट दैट। सो दिस हैज़ ऑल्सो बिन विद मी फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम। इसकी एक अपनी कहानी है, वो मैं आपसे बहुत जल्दी शेयर करूँगा, बट एज यू कैन सी इट हैज़ लाइक हुक्स एट 2 डिफरेंट स्पेसेस। सो ऊपर वाले जो हैं वो स्क्वाट्स के लिए हैं, और आपके स्टैंडिंग बारबल प्रेस के लिए, शोल्डर प्रेस के लिए हैं। और जो नीचे वाले हैं उस पर आप नीचे बेंच लगा के यू कैन डू योर इंक्लाइन, डिक्लाइन एंड फ्लैट, एंड ऑल्सो इफ़ यू लाइक टू डू सीटेड बारबल प्रेसेस, विच आई रियली लाइक टू डू, तो मैं सीटेड बारबल के लिए भी इसको यूज़ करता हूँ। सो और ये प्योर लोहा है, स्टेनलेस स्टील लोहा सब मिक्स है, और ये ऐसी चीज़ है कि ये कहीं नहीं जाने वाली, ये बहुत टाइम से मेरे साथ है और आने वाले टाइम में भी मेरे साथ रहेगी। इवन व्हेन इट रेन्स it doesn't get spoiled, so it's that firmly built, so you can see. So yeah, and one more thing which I really like doing on this multi bench is the parallel bar dips. So you can see these are for your tricep dips or your chest dips, which I like to incorporate in my workouts. So you can see all the greenery that there is, all the nature that's around. So and you can also see my plates which are neatly stacked up. अभी थोड़ा जब काम कंप्लीट हो जाएगा तो फिर एक बार इनको मैं साफ़ करवाऊँगा, अभी थोड़ी सी गंदी हो गई हैं, साफ़ होके फिर ये भी अंदर जाएंगी स्टूडियो में। एंड सो दिस इज़ द वे टू द स्टूडियो। सो इट्स नाइस एंड ग्रीन एंड क्लीन, एंड इट्स जस्ट लाइक स्टॉप्ड रेनिंग। कल से बारिश हो रही थी, एंड इट्स एक्चुअली द परफेक्ट टाइम टू वर्क आउट। मेरा आज ऑफ डे है, इट्स अ संडे, बट आई थिंक I might just have a workout in the evening today, seeing the atmosphere, seeing the weather and everything, and I feel really good. I am nicely rested. I've enjoyed making this video, so I think I just might have a workout in the evening. So yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video and the tour of my newly built AdiFit training studio. And do let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts and feedback, and also let me know what kind of videos would you like to see in the future. अगर कोई ऐसा टॉपिक है या कंटेंट है जिसके बारे में आप चाहते हो मैं बात करूं, so kindly let me know in the comment section. Do like and share this video with your family and friends. I'll keep coming back with more of such content. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.